readiness and embracing of the green transition. That meaning that the consumer now or the property owner knows what is their right and they want to contribute to the green and able to have the power to make an action on the energy crisis, meaning we are now more proactive rather than reactive. And it is something that is very good because we care now more on what the environment and what is the power that we have to preserve and conserve.
I think for me, I have to mention two, no, because they are coupled. Number one is the market, which I already mentioned kanina. And we're glad that the government so far is supporting it. We're just requesting to make it regular and continuous, no. The second is the permitting. I think that's the common problem being raised, not only by us, but most of the developers. Because even if with this call or automation through the use of EVOS, it's still limited at this point. There are still several agencies na hindi kasama in that EVOS, particularly the local government unit. So kami, as developers, we always want to comply with the permits, regulation, everything. But the government has to put up the platform to make it seamless, cost-efficient, no? And that will make the development of project faster, most efficient, and of course, cheaper. Not only for the... I will make sure that there is a seamless process from the lowest level of LGU like barangay, municipality, provincial, and all of the small agencies or attached agencies to that LGU, so that if I am a developer, especially if I'm a new one, madali na lang sundan yung process na yun, and I can easily predict the timeline for my project.
If I have an executive power, is to allow each household owner to be able to capture the carbon, because for every energy that you save, that is a carbon emission avoidance. For every carbon emission avoidance, that is a carbon credit. And moving forward on that, carbon is the new gold. So if I'm going to be an executive, the carbon as a new gold is the new sovereign asset, then we will be in the higher up of the community, because when you do good to the community, you do good something for your with your nation.